Alright, so we're live from San Antonio, Texas, and today we're going to demonstrate how to use your surf light. So let's take a look at it. So when you get your surf light, you get a nice bag. Now one of the best things is that you can notice it does have a solar panel. All you gotta do is point it to the sun, let it charge, and it will do its job. Now it does have a 10-hour or a 5-hour battery amp, whichever it is that you like to choose. But if you can't seem to wait, you want to get it charged faster, it does come with a power cord. So I got a little battery right here. I'm going to put that on just to give a demonstration. There you go. And we have a little rubber gasket right there. So that's, remove that, and we can go ahead and plug that in. Put that power on. And there you go. Gets the job done. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that. Be sure before you ever put it in the water, you want to be sure to close that gasket right there. Now, each surf light will come with its own remote control. You could turn this on even from 300 feet away. But just like any equipment, you want to take care of it. You want to make sure that it's not damaged in any way. We never want to just throw this in the lake or in the ocean. We want to treat it safely, just like you would any electronic piece. And for that, I'm going to have Roger right here, our main founder, kind of explain a little bit on how to use the tether ring here in the bottom. Roger?
Thank you, Edgar. So as Edgar mentioned, we have a tether ring down here, and we've already attached the rope with just a simple knot that we can easily undo, but it won't come undone on its own in the water. So what we're going to do to get this in the water, we're going to start by throwing an anchor. And then the anchor, we've already run the rope through the anchor so that once we have it out there, we'll pull the string on the other end and it'll draw surf light out there. So I'll ask Edgar to grab our camera and follow me as we do this process. It's a simple anchor that we're using here, little 3-pound kayak anchor, and we're just going to toss this out there. And then surf light from its tethering, tangled up in the rope here, hang on. Alright, we're just going to lower it, and why don't you come around over here so you can see. We're going to lower it upside down, but as you'll see in the water, it will right itself up. So let's do that. Lower it down in there. There it is, right side up. And then we're just going to pull the string, and there goes surf light out into the middle of the lake where you want it. And now all we got to do is grab your remote and fire it up.
Look at that. That looks nice. Look at that glow.
So what happens here is you want to let this work for a good few minutes, 15-20 minutes, and you'll have the bait fish starting to come to it. And once you have that going, then you can cast your line right at your light and the fish will be there. So you don't have to fish blindly and hope you get something. Your light's going to be bringing the fish to you. That's the beauty of surf light, and we're aiming to get this in every household.
Surf light, baby.